In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a boring market report and turn it into a compelling lead magnet using AI. Now, this is very effective for attracting buyers and sellers, and the best part is it's completely free. So I'm in my ChatGPT. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is pull up my local market report. So this is for the Toronto Real Estate Board. They send out a market report quarterly. It's about 25 pages, but all I'm interested in is the summary. We just want to give people a quick snapshot. So what I'm going to do is just screenshot the first page of this report, and then I'm going to go back into my ChatGPT. And now I'm going to click on this little plus icon to add files, and I'm going to upload the screenshot I just saved. And I'm also going to upload my branding. So a headshot and my brokerage logo so we can custom brand this. And now what I'm going to do is just give it a prompt. Now, when I'm prompting, I like to use voice mode. It's just a lot easier than manually typing it out. So I'm going to click on this little microphone to activate dictate. I'm a realtor. I want you to create a beautiful image of a market report, professionally designed, scroll stopping, and very engaging using the information I've provided. It should be custom branded with my headshot, my brokerage logo, and my contact details. My website is futureproofagent.com. My email address is info@futureproofagent.com. And my phone number is 416-726-9501. It should be a strong lead magnet. So we're going to submit that and see what happens. All right, so there's the image. That looks pretty great. Toronto Market Report, January 2026. It shows a quick summary. Sales are down 19.2%. Ouch. Average price is down 1.2%. And then it breaks down by property type, right? So you've got the detached numbers, semi-detached, townhome, condos in different parts of the city, 416,905, and the year-over-year change. And then it gives the year-over-year summary of new listings, active listings, average price, and then it gives them a quick call to action for a free home evaluation, beautifully branded with my contact information. So that looks great. And then what we can do is say, give me a caption to match this with the call to action. So that way, if you're posting this on Facebook or on LinkedIn, it'll give you the image. That's what captures their attention. But then it gives you the caption with a little bit more depth and encouraging them to actually reach out and start a conversation. So Toronto market update, January 2026. The GTA market started in 2026 with so-and-so sales, average price, but the real story is what this means for your next move. Buying, selling, or waiting. If you want the full breakdown and what these numbers mean for your specific neighborhood, comment report and I'll send it to you. So that way it actually puts it into context, right? These are the averages, but what does this mean for you? That's all anybody cares about. And then it tells them what to do, right? Just comment the word report beneath this video to actually get them to raise their hand and start a conversation. So there's a powerful example of how to turn boring market reports into compelling lead magnets for free using ChatGPT. Now, if you want to learn more about how to generate leads with AI, just click the link beneath this video in the description to get access to my ChatGPT for Realtors course. It's completely free. You'll also get plugged into my private AI community. Look forward to seeing you inside.